What's up, everyone? Dave from Dave's TV. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the man cave. We're going to do a mystery beer review. Haven't done one in a while, so whatever we pull out of there, not sure yet. But we'll get to that. Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned for that mystery beer review.
You're watching Dave's TV. And now to Dave in his man cave. Take it away, Dave.
Well, welcome back, everyone. Dave from Dave's TV. Let's get to this mystery beer review and let's see what we got in here. Yeah, let's try this one. Let's see what we got. Okay, this is Intuition Ale Works. They are out of Jacksonville, Florida, and this one's called Party Wave Hazy IPA. Says ride the wave. Man, if you're gonna put this on the can, put it where you can read it. Good Lord. But you can't read it. They put it on these like white and silver, and you can't read it on the can. It's ridiculous. Come on, man. Do not know what the ABV is, so let me see real quick. Okay, Party Wave is 6.2% ABV. It says Hazy IPA with bold tropical fruit aromas and assertive. Hop-derived flavors of pineapple, mango, papaya, and guava. Smooth mouthfeel, long hoppy finish. You can get a 16-ounce draft for $7 or a 60-ounce pitcher for $24. Well, we need a glass to put this in. So let me get my Rock Creek Brewing Company. And, whew, man, this one made me tired, man, trying to read it. Oh, yeah, it looks pretty good. Almost looks like grapefruit juice with the pulp. All right. And that's what the can looks like. And that's what she looks like. She's definitely hazy. Almost looks like grapefruit juice to me with the pulp. I can't see no light coming through that at all. It's kind of a light yellowish, medium yellowish color. Beautiful white head on it. It's about 1.5 inches. Doesn't really matter. It's the head on it staying pretty true, so let's get a nose on it. Woo! All right. Dude, I'm getting pineapple, mango, guava, papaya. You can smell the papaya in there for sure. Smells really good. 6.2% ABV. Well, that's what it smells like. Let's get done smelling it and let's get to drinking it. Cheers, everyone. One more. I'm definitely getting papaya, guava, number 2 on there. Getting pineapple, mango, all tropical flavors. I don't taste any citrus. Low medium mouthfeel, medium carbonation. Bitterness, it doesn't say what it is. I'm going to go out on a limb and say about 50 to 60 IBUs. Doesn't tell you on their website. I like this. Digging it. And by the way, this was given to me by a good friend, Caitlin. Caitlin, you know who you are. I don't say last names just in case people don't want me to say their last name. I have no problem doing that. But she gave me 2 beers, and this was one of them. I've never had anything from here at all, from Intuition Ale Works. And I like this. This is really, really good. Yeah. Definitely getting all the flavors that it said. Right up front, you get the papaya, the guava are the 2 strongest flavors, and then you can taste on the back end of that the pineapple, the mango. Definitely a smooth mouthfeel. Do not taste the alcohol in it at all. 6.2, that's not bad. Definitely could drink a couple of these. I didn't buy it, but if I was going to buy it, I would definitely buy this again and definitely drink it again. 2 thumbs up. If I see this on the shelf again, I'm definitely buying it. This is definitely a good summer, springtime beer for Florida, late or early fall also, because it's still hot here. Caitlin, thank you so much. Can't wait to try the other one and that you got me. Not from the same place though. I think it's from Wicked Weed. I haven't seen this one yet. So with that being said, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button if you like what you see. And share, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If you've had one of these before, let me know. And if you'd like me to try something, leave a comment. If I can get it, I will. If not, may have to have you send it to me, or maybe we can do a beer trade. My email is right here, lightsey, LIGHTSEY 22@gmail.com. And with that, drink responsibly. Please don't drink and drive. And cheers, everyone. I can't wait to drink the rest of that. 2 thumbs up. And we'll see you next time.